Hi, I'm Alex Sharastani with Sharastani Law. I'm based in Austin, Texas, and today I'm going to tell you about 9 times you might need to make and keep records of an LLC member or manager action. Remember that even an informative video like this one can't substitute for advice from your own attorney, so if you need help, make sure to contact one. When picking an entity for your company, a lot of people opt for the LLC because it's often called a more flexible and simpler structure than other options. This is true in a lot of ways, but it's a best practice to keep good records, just like you would with a C corporation. If you don't, you can open yourself up to liability and lawsuits, and one of the main reasons to even form a business entity is to protect yourself from liability. In this video, you're going to learn about 9 circumstances where you might have to make and keep records of a company action. But the first thing to note is that your company agreement, also called an operating agreement, will specify when the members or managers have to vote on an issue. That being said, here are 9 common ones. First, when amending your company agreement. Second, selling or transferring ownership. Third, appointing a manager, CEO, or other executive. Fourth, expelling a member. Fifth, calling an unscheduled meeting. Sixth, distributing earnings. Seventh, when taking on large loans. Eighth, when closing down or selling the company. And ninth, when skipping a meeting. That's it, 9 situations where your LLC might have to take a vote. Don't substitute this video for your own attorney's advice, but hopefully it should give you a heads up about when you need one. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to check back for more, bookmark it, subscribe, do what you got to do to keep yourself informed. I'm Alex Sharastani with Sharastani Law. I'm based in Austin, Texas, and I'll see you next time.